Hey everybody, Tomaro Realtor here with a new listing. I am at 1109 South Fess. It looks like it's like a little house in the woods, but it's actually in town. Really interesting home. The tax records say that it was built in 1930, but it looks like it was completely gutted and redone in about 2007. So a metal roof was added, new siding. It's actually going to get some new gutters later this week. And you'll see on the inside it's kind of open and bright. It has 2 full bathrooms, which you don't typically get in the Bryan Park area. But the cool, and double lot. So not that it can be split, but because the house pretty much takes up the whole lot because it's so long, but it's a really big backyard. It's like 0.3 acres right here on the corner of Grimes and Fess. I mean, that's pretty amazing. You can't see it, but I'm gonna zoom in as much as I can. See down here how there's like no, wait, where's my finger? Ooh, look at my giant finger. Right, there's no houses because that's Bryan Park. Literally at the end of the block. So 1109 South Fess, 1 block from Bryan Park. Let me take you inside. So this is, I think, a really unique property in this area. And that's why. These beams, that was what caught my attention when my clients bought the house years ago. You just kind of walk in and it's just an open floor plan, very simple. There's a main bedroom, primary bedroom with a bathroom over here, 2 bedrooms and another bath down this little hall, and then your open living space. There's the front door right there with that green curtain. So just very unique. This has been a rental. It does have a hand permit that's valid through 2027 if you're looking for an investment property. But gosh, I really think this would be a great owner-occupied property. Because I'm going to show you this yard. It's pretty cool. And yesterday there were like 3 little bitty Bambis in the backyard. I'll put a picture in and show you because they were so cute. This is a mirror that needs to be removed. But I have this new obsession. Nobody cares, but I'm gonna tell you about it anyways. With these high windows, I have some friends who have one in their house, in their living room, and it's so nice because it brings in light, but you can put furniture on the wall underneath it. So like in their living room, they have a couch underneath it. And I wish we saw more of that because I think that's such a nice feature because we're so used to putting furniture against walls. So this, you could totally put your bed here and you're not blocking any windows. You do have a window right here as well. The ceilings are tall. Ceiling fan up there. Closet right here. So walk-in closet. And full bath. Double sinks. Shower tub. All the necessary things. I think in a house like this, there are probably some updates that you'd want to make to your own taste, but it is clean and you can move right in and then do those. And you have 2 bathrooms. So if you want to remodel a bathroom, you got a second one to use. This closet right here is washer and dryer, which is included. And dryer. And then you've got water heater and pantry space. Furnace is in the attic. I love how they have that like ductwork. It's just really cool. Let me give you a quick peek out the back and then I'll take you out there. But that's the whole, I mean, that's a huge yard. A lot of yards in this area are like 0.09 acres and this is 0.3. So it is literally twice the size. So bedroom 1 or 2, ceiling fan in here as well. And then bedroom 3. This is probably the smallest. This would be a nice office. And then you've got another bath here. So remember there's a tub in the primary bathroom. This one has a stand-up shower. Fan that you can hear. Okay. All right, let me take you outside. here's the yard. It is mostly fenced. There's like a wooden farm fence over here with wire, and then it's just a wire fence over here. So I would say before you let a pet loose, you'd want to confirm that there aren't any holes or gaps, but it has been fenced. This right here, I'm wearing heels. This is a bad idea. I was out here a couple weeks ago and took some pictures. There we go. Grapevines right in your backyard. So this whole thing is a grapevine. I feel like some of these trees may be fruit-bearing trees as well, but I'm not 100% sure on that. So much space. A little shed back there. But this is a huge, huge, huge yard for this area. So I think between the open concept, everything being relatively updated, it's on a slab, so you don't have crawl space, foundation issues to worry about. That's what makes this, and the location to Bryan Park makes this a really unique and special property.